guys, today I will teach you how to create database using MySQL. First, open the SAMP control panel, the module of Apache and MySQL, press start, go to command prompt, type cmd, then cmd, type cd slash, then cd SAMP, then cd MySQL, then cd bin. After that, type MySQL -u username. Default username is root. Then -p password. You don't have the passwords, so leave it blank. Localhost 127.00.1. Press enter. You don't have a password, so press enter. You'll see the message of welcome to MariaDB. To see the database, type show database. You will see the list of database here. To create a new database, type to a database. The name of database, let's say tutorial. Here we okay. So let's see the database. We'll see the database that we created. Type use tutorial. We'll see the database change. Now we will create a table. To create a table, type create table, then the name of the table, let's say users, and parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we will type our parameter, let's say username, varchar parentheses 11, comma, password, varchar 11, then comma, email, and parentheses, and semicolon. Okay. Now the table is created. Let's show the table. Here you will see the table here that we created, and that's it. That's how to create a database and the table. So guys, today we will teach you how to insert data in database. The previous tutorial, we created the database tutorial. So we insert the data to table. First, let's type show table. Here you can see our table, name users, describe, and type describe user. And here you will see the field that we typed in the previous, username, password, and email. To insert the data, type insert into name of the table, users, and the name of the field, username. Then hit enter. Type values. say Benji's 1, 2. And for that, type single quote, comma, single quote, comma, the email, single quote. Parenthesis, then semicolon, hit enter. Very okay. So the data inserted to the table, let's see. Type select parenthesis from users. Parenthesis means all. Select all from users. Semicolon, hit enter. As you can see, the data that we entered is here. Yeah, okay. I try to enter another data. Enter, then okay, let's see. Here you can see here the data that we enter in the table, and that's how to enter the data. Okay, thank you. Hi, hello guys. Today I will teach you how to update data. This is the table that we used in previous video. Let's say I want to update the password of username Benji12. To do that, type the command update, the name of the table, then set password equal to double quote. Let's say I want to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where username is equal to Benji12. Semicolon, hit enter. Okay. Let's see if it's changed. You can see the password of Benji12 is updated to 12345. Now let's change the email of username something 12. Column, press enter, then do OK. Let's show. Also, and the email of something want to is updated. So that's how to update it. Hey guys, today I will teach you how to delete data in the database. Let's say I will want to delete this user type. To do that, type command delete from in the table where username equal to user semicolon, hit enter, okay, expect. You can see the user tag is now deleted to the table. Now I will show you how to delete a column. Let's say I want to delete this status column. To do that, type alter table in the table. Six, drop column status semicolon, hit enter. Okay, let's check. You will see there's no status column here. Now I'll show you how to delete database. Type drop database. The name of the database is tutorial. Semicolon, hit enter. Now the database is now. Type show database. And the tutorial database is not here, so it's deleted. So that's how to delete a database.